Hello and welcome to my Afforai review. In this video, I'm going to give you an honest review of Afforai lifetime deal. So Afforai is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. You can get lifetime access of this software at just $49. And as you can see, there are lots of good reviews. There are 270 reviews and almost everyone has given it 5-star rating. So you can understand its popularity. So if you want to claim this lifetime deal, then link is in the video description. Definitely that's my affiliate link. So I want to mention one more thing, that I have access to this software. So I am going to give you Afforai step-by-step tutorial and I am going to give you Afforai live demo in this video. So it will help you to decide this software is worth your money or not. So watch this video till the end. So first let's understand what is Afforai. Afforai is an AI research assistant that help you to search, summarize and translate your research papers. Okay, so if you love doing research and if you are a student, if you want to do research, and if you are a researcher, if you want to make your job easier, then this is the right software for you. And let me show you one more thing. There are 3 methods of doing research with Afforai. You can upload your own file. It means that if you have any research paper, then you can upload this on Afforai platform and you can then summarize that PDF, or you can ask any question and you will get answer from this research paper. And there are up-to-date search results. So if you want to use Google results for any particular research, then it is also possible with this Afforai tool. And next is there is 200 million peer-reviewed research paper. So if you want to do a complete research on a particular topic, then you don't need to find research paper on different platform, because it brings data from 200 million peer-reviewed research paper. So that's the beauty of this software. So it makes your job much easier for doing the research. So I hope you understood. Next is organize and review 100 of document and URL to get answer from for any question, complete with citation. Okay, so it will give citation for all the resources. So that's the best thing about this software. Next is it is alternative to Copy AI and Jasper, and you will get API integration feature. And next is, let's talk about its feature. So there are lots of features of this tool, like research reference manager, bibliography generator, AI research assistant, verifiable data citation with every AI output, API access, research annotation, and there are lots of good features available inside this tool. Let's talk about Afforai pricing plans. So Afforai AppSumo deal come with 3 pricing plan. Tier 1 pricing plan which will cost you $49, Tier 2 pricing plan which will cost you $169, and Tier 3 pricing plan which will cost you $399. Okay, so if you want to know about these features, then you can read it here. You can pause this video and you can read it. So now I'm going to give you the live demo of this tool. So I have logged into my Afforai dashboard. So when you will log into your Afforai dashboard, then it will look something like this. UI and UX of this tool is very good, as you can see here. So there are some options here. So the very first option is adding library. So if you want to create library like this, then you can create it. Under this library you can upload your research papers. As you can see in Sumit's library, I have uploaded 2 research paper like habit formation and change and breaking bad habits. So I'm going to do research on these 2 research papers, so that's why I have uploaded these files here. So similarly, if you want to create more library, then you can click on this button and you can create shareable library by clicking on this button. And suppose if you want to upload any file, just click on this library and after that click on upload file, and here you will get multiple options, like you can upload your PDF, doc file, text file, and there are lots of options. So just click on it and you can upload your file from here. Okay, so next option is upload URL. It means that if you have research paper PDF URL, then you can click on this button and you can paste the URL of PDF document and you can upload it by using this method. And last method is upload DOI. So you can click on it and you can add your DOI ID of your research paper. For example, let me show you. Whenever you will open any research paper on any website, then you will get DOI ID. What you can do, you can copy this link and you can paste it here and you can click on upload button to upload your file. I hope you understood. So these are the 3 methods of uploading your research paper on Afforai. And by the way, I want to show you one more thing. Suppose if you have uploaded any research paper, then you can click on it and here you will get additional information like file name, file ID, uploaded by, uploaded date, and all these things. Next is citation. It will show you all the citations like author, title, abstract and all these things. As you can read here, you will get all the citation detail here. Notes means if you will take any notes from this PDF, then it will appear here. I will show you how to take notes from this PDF. And last option is view file. So if you want to view this file, then you can click on it and you can view your file like this. Okay, so as you can see, it has opened our research paper PDF file. Now I am going to show you how to take notes. So you can use annotation feature of Afforai and you can take notes. So here is the text highlighter. You can select the highlight color from here, and here is the highlighter, text highlighter. So let's select this line. I want to highlight this section. So what I can do, I can simply select it, and as you can see, it highlighted this section. So if you will go to your library again, so as you can see, it is showing in the notes section. So when you will click on your research paper, then in the notes section you will see this note that we just taken by using the highlighter feature. Okay, similarly you can highlight any other section, and if you want to highlight any particular area, then you can select this option. Let's select blue color. Okay, so I want to highlight this entire section, so I can highlight it like this. Okay, so as you can see, and again highlighted section will show here like this. Okay, I hope you understood how to take notes with your research paper. Okay, so in this way you can take notes. Now I'm going to show you how to do research with this research paper. So suppose it has 500 page research paper. So, and if you want to get answer of a particular question from this research paper, then you don't need to read this entire research paper. You can use AI feature of Afforai for this thing. So all you need to do is just click on this research assistant button, and here you can use this feature. And there is the AI model. You can select it from here. You can click on it. So as you can see, there are lots of AI model available here. So if you want to select any model like Cloud 3, GPT 3.5, GPT 4, then you can select it from here. So let's say I want to select a GPT 3.5. So I'm going to select it from here. And now I'm going to show you how to get answer without using the research paper. So if suppose I want to ask any random question and I don't want to use the research paper PDF file that I have uploaded, I don't want answer from that research paper, then what I can do, I can click on it, and I can select no tools. Okay, and let's ask a simple question. So as you know that I have uploaded two PDF file for habit formulation and habit breaking things. So I'm going to ask a simple question like how to build a good habit. Okay, so this is my question, and I'm going to use no tool here. It means that it is not going to use my research paper that I have uploaded, and it is going to give answer using GPT 3.5. okay, let's click on send. So as you can see, it is generating the answer for us. For this, it is not using our research paper because I have selected just AI tool and I don't want to use research paper here. So that's why it is giving me answer without any citation. And now I'm going to show you how to use research paper for getting the answer. Okay, let's ask the same question, and here I'm going to select document retrieval option from here, and let's click on it. Okay, and here I'm going to select these two files. Okay, so as you know that I have uploaded two files, habit formulation and change research paper, and breaking bad habits research paper. So I want to get answer from this two research paper for our question how to build good habits. So let's click on send, and now it is going to use this two research paper for giving me the answer. Okay, so as you can see, it is reading breaking bad habits this research paper, and it is going to give us the answer. Okay, so it will use this two research paper and it will give us answer now. So as you can see, it has started giving us answer, and it is going to give us proper citation and sources. Here as you can see, it is going to give us answer with proper citation, and if I want to know exact data source for this answer, then I can click on this, and here is the citation sources. As you can see, it has used this two document. So if I will click on this button, then it will give us the source detail. Okay, and if I want to check the file, then I can click on view file to check the file from which this has given us the answer. Okay, I hope you understood. So now I have selected Google search option from here. It means that it is not going to use AI tool. It is not going to use our research paper for giving us the answer. Okay, it will use Google search results and it will analyze the search results and it will give us the answer with proper citation. So let's ask this same question and click on send. So as you can see, it is started doing research on Google search result and it is going to give us the answer, and it is also going to give us the proper citations. So if you want to know from where it has pulled the data, so we can easily check it from here. So it is very good, and if you want to know more like data source, just click on it and here you will get the list of all the website from where it has pulled this data. Okay, so this is the good thing about this tool. So it is going to help us in doing research like this. If we want to do research on only research paper, then it can do this for us. If you want to do research only on Google results, then it is also going to do it for us. So now I'm going to use the last option, that is semantic scholar option. Semantic scholar options mean it is going to use its 200 million plus research paper for giving you the answer. So you don't need to upload your research paper on building habit, breaking habit, and all these things. So it will pull all this data from 200 million research papers. Okay, and it is going to give us the answer with proper citation. So let's try it. Let's select it, and now I'm going to ask the same question here. Let's press enter, and it is analyzing our question and it will analyze the 200 million plus research paper. It will find relevant research paper and then it will give us the answer. Okay, so as you can see, it has given us the answer with proper citation. Okay, so we can check the source from here. Link is here, and if you want to know source detail, then you can click on this. Okay, and here is the all the source citation, reference, and all these things. Okay, so this will definitely help you to do research much faster, because you don't even need to upload your research paper. You don't need to find research paper. You don't need to upload your research paper. You can use this semantic scholar option. It will bring data from 200 million research paper. Okay, it will find relevant research paper and it will bring answer with proper citation. So it will make your job much easier for doing the research. Okay, and next is there is API option here, and it is user guide. So if you are facing any difficulty, then there are lots of video on each and every topic. So if you are facing difficulty, then you can watch these quick tutorial videos and you can start using this tool. So far I have covered almost everything about Afforai. So I hope now you understood how to use Afforai AI research assistant tool. As you can see, I have given you a live demo of Afforai. It is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. Link is in the video description. So if you want to support this channel, then please use the link given in the video description. It will only help me to create more helpful and honest review like this. So I hope you found this Afforai review video helpful. I have shared step by step Afforai tutorial, and I have also given Afforai demo in this video. I hope you found it helpful. I have covered everything from features, pricing, and I have done research in front of you using Afforai. So I hope you found this Afforai review video helpful. And if you are interested in grabbing this Afforai lifetime deal, then link is in the video description. So just go and check it out. This lifetime deal is going to expire very soon, so don't miss it. If you are a researcher, then it is a lifesaver and time saver for you. So just go and check it out. Link is in the video description. If you found this video helpful, then please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.